Yo, good day to all viewers all over across the world in this YouTube channel. By the way, I am Miguel Bandico Bilangoy and I am 20 years old. One thing that I can say to all viewers that no one, no people that have no dream. We have all unique and different dreams that we need to accomplish in our life and we are desiring so that uh, I ask your help to subscribe this YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe and watch our videos here and click the notification bell for more videos and you're updated for my next journey in life, my lifestyle. So I will be updated in this YouTube channel so that many people will encourage, many people will be enjoyed and be happy in this YouTube channel. So I promise you guys you will enjoy soon as possible. I will upload more videos in this YouTube channel. So I ask your help to subscribe, click the notification bell, and support. So let us support to each other. Support me and I will support to you. And please comment down below your YouTube channel link or your name and I will subscribe it. I will subscribe you back. So let's grow together. Let's help each other and we will become successful soon as possible. And I believe that if we will help each other, we will be successful soon. God bless everyone. God bless everyone.